Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix your GCash account if it's on hold. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I am on their official website. So if you are unable to log in, your account may have been restricted or put on hold due to the following reasons. So, in compliance with the Bangkok Central NG Philippines regulations, GCash basic accounts will be deactive if it has not been fully verified for the past 12 months. The information and documents you provided, included those needed for KYC, are not real or accurate or genuine. So, if you provided fake information, your account can get deactivated or on hold or put on hold. Or if the account is being used for illegal activities, suspicious transactions or by someone who is not authorized, or GCash has received a directive from a government agency, court, law or regulation to limit your account, or the GCash wallet is just inactive. Wallets are considered inactive if there has been no financial activity or if the balance has been zero for at least 6 months since the last transaction. So if you think you don't fall in any of these categories, you just have to come to help.gcash.com and just click on chat with Gigi or GCash support, and you just have to tell them your problem and they will fix it within 24 hours or 48 hours. So yeah guys, you just have to chat with them on this chat box and tell them your problem and they will fix it. So if you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.